Thank you for downloading the Carlisle SynTec Systems Web Companion mobile app. This tool is designed to keep you informed of the latest news from Carlisle and deliver on-the-go access to field details, submittals, and content that you've customized using the Carlisle SynTec Systems website. This video demonstrates usage on an iPad, but it works similarly on iPhones and Androids. So let's get started. Once the app is launched, your first step should be to tap Settings. Then log in with your unique username and password. This is the same password you used to log in to the Carlisle SynTec website. Settings is also the place to adjust your push notification preferences. A push notification is sent to your mobile device to inform you of up-to-the-minute news from Carlisle. You can choose which types of notifications you wish to receive. Next, determine the duration of announcements to archive in your news feed. The maximum allowance is 90 days. Now, let's go back to our home screen and start using the app. Get to know the home screen. This is the hub that links to all of the tools and functions of this app. The home screen also displays the most recent items of your news feed. This means no more worrying about saving and locating emails of Carlisle's important announcements such as design advisories and marketing announcements. Tap an individual announcement to launch the full document. Once the announcement is loaded, you can zoom, scroll, and copy as you would using any standard iOS application. Additionally, you can email content by tapping the Share button on the lower toolbar. This will launch your email interface and send the recipient a web link to your chosen content directly from within the app. The lower toolbar also allows you to add this content to favorites, open in another app, or add to a collection. Tap on SynTec Newsfeed to see the entire newsfeed. And remember to adjust your settings to the duration of news items that you prefer to display. A swiping motion from left to right will launch collaborative tools in any list view of this app. Here you can share, favorite, or open in another app. A swipe from right to left will hide the tools and return you to list view. Next, we will look at your collections. These are the collections that you've previously assembled on the Carlisle SynTec website. If you are not logged in, this app will prompt you to log in before it can display your collections. Use the swipe feature to email a web link to your collection. Tap on a collection to view the documents within it. Please note that once you're inside the collection, the swiping feature will share an individual document as opposed to the entire collection. Tap any individual document for a larger view of the document. The iPad version will display a listing of all collection items on the left and the enlarged document on the right. Use a right-to-left swipe to view a document in full screen mode. Then a left-to-right swipe will return it to list view. Once in full screen, utilize the standard iOS tools. Note the tools on the lower navigation bar. You've already seen sharing and add to favorites. Next, we will open a document in a different editing app by tapping the Open link. The device will ask you which app you prefer to use. This demonstration will feature UPad. Note, at this point we have exited the Carlisle mobile app and are working in a separate editing app. You may need to purchase and download an app to access this function. Double-clicking the device's home button will allow you to return to the Carlisle mobile app. The final lower navigational button is the Add to Collections link. Tap this to add any item to an existing collection that you've created by selecting the collection, then tapping the Add button. The mobile app will also access the documents that you've designated as favorites on the Carlisle SynTec website. By tapping the My Favorites tab, this will open a list of your favorites and deliver all of the powerful editing and collaborative functions of the app. Notice that you can navigate easily between collections and favorites using the upper navigation buttons. No need for a field guide if you have a mobile device with the Carlisle app installed. All Carlisle's primary system installation details are literally at your fingertips. Tap on the System to get instant access to full color details for any installation, tie-in, or flashing detail. Zoom in, swipe, scroll, or collaborate. It's all there. View and share standard submittal packages from the road or your customer's office. No more waiting until you get back to your computer or catching up on submittals after hours. Even better, your customer gets an instant response. From the home screen, tap the toolbox found within the lower navigation bar. This will launch a list view of Carlisle's standard submittal package offerings. Note that once inside the toolbox, you can easily scroll from submittals to details by tapping the upper navigation buttons. Select the system from the main list to view the standard submittal packages available. Use the swipe feature to instantly share a standard submittal package. Tap on the submittal package to view all of the documents within. View, scroll, and edit your documents using the tools and functions that have been demonstrated earlier in this instructional video. Locating and emailing a submittal package has never been quicker and easier than with the Carlisle SynTec Systems mobile app. Whether you use a standard submittal package or a customized submittal package that's been created on the website and saved as a collection, the power of this mobile app is sure to give you a clear advantage over your competition.